What's going on, homeowners? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best refrigerators in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these refrigerators, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comment section. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond to you as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first refrigerator we're going to show you today is a Samsung 27.7 cubic foot refrigerator. Next up, we've got a Samsung 27.8 cubic foot refrigerator. The third refrigerator we're going to show you today is a Whirlpool 25 cubic foot refrigerator. Next up, we've got a Frigidaire 22.4 cubic foot refrigerator. Last but not least, we've got the Frigidaire 22.1 cubic foot refrigerator. So, now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which refrigerator you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related product videos that you just might be interested in.